Hi guys, it's Debbie, and I'm going to be working on acrylic painting on some watercolor paper. And I have some of the colors mixed with a little pouring medium, but they're real thick. It's just so I can move it easier. I didn't want it to dry so quickly. Now, depending on where you live, they may not dry quickly, but today in my studio it's pretty warm and the colors were drying really fast. So anyways, it's what works best for me. So I am going to get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit on and smear it around a little bit and see where that kind of leads me. I'm enjoying working sort of with my hands lately. Well, pretty much always, but then you get so much, a ton of paint in your pores. You don't have to make it fluid like this either. It works just really just good the other way, probably. I haven't done it the other way that much, so. Now, if you're working with really dry paints, you can't do, well, you'd have a different effect than this. All right, guys. I think it's done. Yep. Anyways, this is it. This is my newest abstract painting. That's done. This definitely did not take too long. Anyways, guys, if you enjoy this, and please hit subscribe and like. It's greatly appreciated. And thank you guys so much for stopping by. Bye-bye.